Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy sweet corn soup recipe, ideal as a filling and light meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make sweet corn soup, I'm using 1 ear of fresh sweet corn, and now I'm going to remove the husk. Once the husk is removed, make sure that the silk is also removed. Instead of fresh sweet corn, you can use frozen sweet corn in this recipe. Also make sure before removing the husk that the sweet corn is thoroughly rinsed in water. Next, I'm going to remove the kernels from the cob, and for that I'm placing a katori upside down on the cutting board and placing the corn cob over the katori, and I'm slicing off the kernels using a knife. I have removed the corn kernels from the cob and divided it into two portions. So this is 1 cup of fresh corn kernels and this is 1/3 cup of corn kernels. I'm adding 1 cup of corn kernels into my small chutney grinder and I'm lightly crushing the corn kernels. Okay, now I have coarsely ground the corn kernels, and as you can see, it is just coarsely ground. Into my saucepan, I'm adding in 3 cups of water. These days I prefer to use structured water. Structured water is nothing but water stored overnight in a copper vessel. Add in the coarsely ground corn kernels. Give it a good stir. Add in 1 thinly sliced green chilli or as needed, 1 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. Add in 1 chopped carrot. Allow this to come to a boil. And once it starts to boil, give it a good stir. You can notice some foam coming on top. Slowly skim off the foam with a ladle. Now put the flame on the lowest. Add in 8 to 10 chopped beans, 1/2 inch ginger finely sliced, and give it a good stir. At this point, you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in extra sea salt. Cover and allow the vegetables to get cooked. It should get done in about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir. Add in 1/3 cup of the corn kernels which had been kept aside. Cover and allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, open the lid, give it a good stir. To thicken the soup, I am using 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. Into this, I am adding in 1/4 cup water, giving it a good stir. Add in the slurry into the soup. Instead of arrowroot powder, you can use tapioca powder or even potato starch. Add in 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder or as needed. Give it a stir. Adding in 3 sprigs of finely chopped spring onions. Squeeze in 1/2 a lemon. Instead of lemon, you can also use 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Give this all a good mix. And my healthy sweet corn soup is ready to serve. Freshly ground black pepper powder, some spring onions. So guys, do try this healthy sweet corn soup recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.